Good morning, good morning, good morning. Facebook watch parties. And today I'm going to give you 3 tips on why or how to run a successful Facebook watch party. Facebook watch parties are so much fun. Now you may be even watching this in a Facebook watch party right now, okay? And if you are, this is a recorded version of a Facebook Live I've done on my business page. Okay, so my name is Alicia De Jong and welcome to today's Facebook Live on Facebook watch parties. I love Facebook watch parties and I'm going to give you the reasons why I love them, why you should be using them into your business and how you can leverage them. And I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to run a successful Facebook watch party. Okay, so the first thing is, why should you be running a Facebook watch party? Oh my God, these are such an untapped resource in Facebook. First of all, Facebook, what is a Facebook watch party is probably what I should say. So a Facebook watch party is where you can create a post in a public group and you create a Facebook watch party. It is a recorded video, or you can actually live stream directly into a Facebook group by sharing your live into the group. So what you basically do, you basically go into a group. So I'll type in a group. It has to be a public group, okay? So let me just go into a public group and I'll walk you through the motions. I know you can't see the screen, but just how it basically works. So basically you go in, you go into a public group. So this public group has 23,693 members, okay? Oh, maybe I can flick my screen around for this. Let me quickly do that if I can. Okay, so I'm in this group, okay? So basically what you do to create your Facebook watch party is you go to these 3 little dots. Actually, I will live stream directly now into here. And then what you do is you go down to watch party. This is so freaking cool. And then I will put how to do a Facebook, because that's the name of my live, Facebook watch party. Okay, it's a pretty rough typo, but let me see if I can do this. Okay, then I like to copy this. Copy. It's a bit hard to do them this way. Okay, and then paste. Okay, then you just go add video. And these here are videos that I have actually saved. I typically do my Facebook watch parties on my business page, okay? Because I can save the video. So as you can see here, these are videos that I've saved. So if I go up here to live, I will probably find myself. And no, okay, let me go to search. I just put in my name there, okay? This brings up my page. So this one here, I'm going to add it to queue. As you can see, I'm actually live. So if you wanted to do a recorded one, normally I would do a recorded like I do a Facebook Live, obviously it's recorded. And then I'll show you how you can save that because it's easier to find, okay? But what you do your Facebook Live on your business page and then you search in your name of your business page and then you can see here all the Facebook Lives I've done, okay? And then you just go add to queue. Now what I'm actually going to do is, because I'm live streaming this particular one, it's actually going to go straight out into that group. And then I just go done. It looks like this. And I'm just going to post. You can add more videos. So for example, when this Facebook Live's over, say I want to put that one in, I would just add it to queue. And then what you can do is you can go view queue. So you could actually have video after video after video, but I'll give you some tips on that and what I've been testing. So go there and then say I want to remove this one, I just remove, okay? Okay, so I will tell you a bit more about that in a sec. So go done, and then I go done. Now what happens is this Facebook Live, this watch party, I am now live in that group, okay? As you can see. All right, so let me mute. And what's gonna happen, I like to stay live within my watch party. So you can see here that I am live and people will jump on, okay? And I will see these people all the way along. The most I've had is about 25 people. So here you go. This lady's now jumping on. She's actually watching me. Hello. And oh, there's another person, hello, and you will see them jump on. People will like your stuff. People will comment, all sorts of great things, okay? Now, this is a fantastic way that you can, I'm going to flick this back around. So people who are now joining me on my Facebook watch party, this is actually live within this group. So hello and welcome. Okay, so now what's going to happen is what I typically like to do is I like to stay live. I like to stay online when my Facebook watch parties are on, simply because we get comments that come up and we get people that like our stuff. So if you can actually interact with those people, it's so more way powerful, okay? So I'll get back into that in a little bit, all right? So the reasons, that's how we do a Facebook watch party, and it's so powerful. And it's so powerful because you are now putting a video up, whether it's live like this or whether it's a recorded version of your Facebook Live, in a group and in public groups only. So there's 23,000 people in that group. They all just got notified that I am live in a Facebook watch party in that group. So I've been testing out different times a day to go live and or to do a watch party. Certain times a day, especially if it's an American or USA group, gets better interaction than what it does if I was to do, because I'm in Australia, to what it would do if I did it in the late afternoon, okay? Like I've said, most I've had, it was 25 plus people watching my Facebook watch party. Out of that, I've generated leads, I generate Facebook likes. I've had someone, excuse me, message me this morning asking me some questions. It works, okay? So, like I said, my next thing is I like to stay on live, and I have so far tested out that 10 minutes is really the maximum of a Facebook watch party. I have tried a full 20-minute video. And I've also tried, I think about 3 videos, one after the other. And I've also tried, I think, up to 4. But I found 2 to be the ultimate, especially if you come on in your Facebook watch party and you've been talking about something and then you actually mention something that you've done, say, yesterday or the day before, and you did a Facebook Live on it. What I do is I actually, like yesterday, I was talking about events, but I actually end up getting in and talking about niche brand marketing. It's something that I do. So therefore, what I did is I added a video on the tail end of that, which was me talking about niche brand marketing, a Facebook Live I did 2 days ago. Okay, so really, really powerful. Okay, so here's 3 tips on how to do a successful Facebook watch party. First of all, do your original Facebook Live on your business page, okay? The reason why is when you do Facebook Lives on your business page, you're going to get eyeballs back to your business page. You will generate likes from it. You'll also generate people who will come and click on your name, and they're going to go over and check out your Facebook business profile. And ultimately, that's where our business is done, right? It's not done on our personal profile. If you're serious about building a business up online, you need a Facebook business page, okay? Stop doing all your stuff on your personal profile, because you can't leverage any of that. You can't run an ad to it. You can't do actually, I don't know if you can do a Facebook watch party to it. I'm not too sure on that, because I just typically don't. So, but if you're serious about running a business, keep your business on your business page and build up your fan base there. So you're going to get likes, you're going to get people checking you out. You probably even generate a lead if you have a lead magnet over on your Facebook business page. Okay, the other thing that you need to do, tip number 2, is it's much easier if you can save the video. So I'll just jump into my Facebook business page and I'll show you how. So I'm actually going to leave that live. So what you can do is you can save the video. So if you go to your video that you've been doing, up in the top right hand corner, you click on the video and it opens it up into a bigger screen. Up in the far top corner, there's 3 little dots. On those 3 little dots, you will see a little like banner thing that comes down, and you can save it. You don't have to save it, but what I found is it's so much easier to find when you're setting up your Facebook watch party if the video is saved, okay? So I'll flick my camera around. Hold on a second. So this is my Facebook watch party from yesterday. What I like to do is you open up the video. Like I said, my name's... I'll just mute it. And if you go, oops. Sorry, I'll just wait for that message to disappear. If you go to these three little dots, you go, I haven't saved this one yet. There, save video, okay? Then what happens is when you go into a group to do a Facebook watch party, so I go here, watch party, and then I go add video. And I'm going to tell you why these are so much fun. I can actually click here and go saved, and there it is there, okay? Whereas if I was to go search, I've just found that sometimes your videos they're not in any particular order, so therefore it can just be a little bit harder to find. That's all. I just find this just much easier. Okay, and then you'll find, as soon as my page comes up, maybe it's not going to come up. Anyway, it will search, they're not my videos. Anyway, I'm not sure why maybe because I'm using my page right now. I don't know why that's not coming up. Anyway, but that's what happens. Okay, you type it in there, and if you save it, it just becomes much easier, and it feels like it's more organized, and it's easier to find that correct video that you want to actually do your watch party about. Okay, now the other really cool thing is you can actually do Facebook watch parties in multiple groups at the same time, okay? The way I do it is I will run a Facebook watch party in one group. These things are such a time leverager too. I'm going to get to that, and that's my favorite part. I'll tell you about that in a second. But what I do is I sit here and I go, I've just done a Facebook Live, let's chuck it out as a watch party. I go into a group, I do a watch party, then I just open up a new tab, a new Facebook tab, like actually in my browser, so it's a whole new Facebook tab, and I go to the next group and I do it again. I could probably typically do 4 watch parties at the same time. So in total, I could have at least 60 people watching my Facebook watch party at the same time. How freaking cool is that? I think that's amazing. Now, this is what I think is one of the most amazing things about these things. I have actually done my Facebook Lives. One day last week, I had not much time to actually do a Facebook Live. And yeah, okay, I have a YouTube channel and all that kind of great stuff. But I wanted to keep consistent and keep in front of my audiences in my group. So what I actually did was had no time to do a real Facebook Live. I went and repurposed some Facebook Lives I did from a couple of days ago and whacked them out into 4 groups, get 60 people looking at you live. They're going to check out your page. Boom, 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 boom. Can you see those guys who are joining me? Can you see the beauty of doing these? You are leveraging so much of your time. Let me know in the comments if you can get what I'm saying. It's such a time leverage, and it's a live time leverage, okay? It's not like you do a Facebook Live on your business page, or if you're into doing them on your personal profile, and that's that. It's not that. It's more than that. You are repurposing work that you've already done. So I was running around here doing some things, and I was like, I just don't have time today to do my real live. So I just did Facebook watch parties out in the groups. Feels like I'm real. I'm out there live, but I wasn't. Okay, it's time leverage. These things are so amazing. It's repurposing your content to get more eyeballs back on you, generate more leads, generate more sales, and all that great stuff that we do this for. Love to know in the comments. Give me a 1 if you think this is really cool and super powerful. Okay. You know, when I do Facebook Lives, I typically do download them and I upload them to YouTube. That's great, but it's kind of fairly static, right? But this thing's just live. You just keep going out there. And Facebook Live videos and video just in general is one of the fastest ways to build up trust, know, like, and trust in our industry. So it's just such an untapped little resource right there, okay? My last tip is really stay online and interact. Okay, I was talking about I didn't have much time. I've done 4 at the same time, but I am flicking to and from. I had a few things to do here, so I just did what I had to do, and I just sat here and did Facebook watch parties 4 at a time, and I could see who was on, if there was any comments. Anyone who likes your Facebook Live, your Facebook watch party, give them a like, give them a shout out. I've had conversations in the comments with people asking me questions, okay? But sit here live and interact with them. It's so powerful, okay? So Facebook watch parties, and they are my 3 tips today. I think the biggest takeaway about this is that you can get so many eyeballs back on you and back on your training and back on your business that you can't reach by YouTube. You can't reach by Facebook Lives just in general, like just on your business page, especially if you don't get a lot of eyeballs and people watching you live on your Facebook business page. This is such a great way to leverage them out to get more traction, okay? And more, eyeballs back on you, back on your business and your training, okay? I hope that you really got some value from this today. If you did and you're watching a replay, give me a 1. Give me some love. Share it out to your team. Also, I did mention niche brand marketing. If you're watching the Facebook watch party, I'm going to put a video next. So go and watch that on niche brand marketing. It is super key, okay? This is for you if you are particularly confused about how branding you online is confusing how you're promoting your network marketing business, okay? It's a really cool strategy I've been working on. It's getting results, and I really think it's the new way to start thinking about things, and especially if you're confused, because in attraction marketing, we're always encouraged to brand us, brand you Inc. And I totally get that, and I totally agree with it. But it can also be confusing. How does that fit into my network marketing business? I can't gel it together. So if that's you, I encourage you to watch my next video in the Facebook watch party. If you are watching this live and you're on my business page, just go down a couple of videos, posts in my Facebook page, and you will see them there, okay? All right, I'm going to put that up in a moment for those watching the watch party. But that's it for me today. My name's Alicia De Jong, and I really thank you for watching this, and I hope that this encourages you to get out and start doing some Facebook watch parties, because these things are key. Bye for now.